Hi guys, today I am going to do an unboxing and overview of the Notepal L1 cooling pad from Cooler Master. So as you can see, this is the box. So the front of the box shows the name of the product and other features. The back of the box lists all the features of the product in detail as well as the specifications with some nice pictures of the product and its features. Now let's open the box and see the product itself. So while I am opening the box, let me guide you some of the features of this cooling pad. It accommodates up to 17-inch laptops and has a 160mm fan for cooling and comes with a 1-year warranty as well. So nothing much in the box. A user manual and a list of other components for Cooler Master. So this cooling pad comes in a soft foam covering from the sides. So it has a good solid metal mesh on the upper side and a stand at the back. Here's the USB cable to connect it with the laptop to provide power to run the fan. The USB cable has an extension on the other side of the USB so that you don't lose any of the slots while the pad is plugged. There you see the 160mm fan. So let's connect it to a laptop and see how it works. The stand at the back uplifts the laptop, which actually helps the fan to intake air from the sides. So there you can see the fan spinning, and I must tell you that the fan is fast but reasonably silent. The stand, even though is made of metal, it is quite light but feels very strong. So here it was guys, the unboxing of the Notepal L1 cooling pad from Cooler Master. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more unboxing, reviews and gaming videos.